Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Dear students, hope you are fine, feeling good. Dear students, as we have started parts of speech, and in parts of speech we did the first noun, pronoun. Okay, today our third unit is a verb. So dear student, do you know verb? What is a verb? So a verb is a word which shows action or state. Action or state. Now action is, for example, eat is action, drink is action, walk is action, look is action. Okay, so a word which shows action or state. Now action, for example, go, play, eat, drink. These are verbs. A word which shows action. Now the second is state. There is a statement. For example, he is happy. In this sentence there is no action, but this is a verb. It shows time also. Okay, so verb tell us about time also, and it tell us about action also. So this is a statement. Now here is a verb. All right, so now let's learn how many types are there. So verb mainly we divide into two groups. Okay, verb mainly we divide into two groups. One is called main verb, and another group is called auxiliary verb. Okay, now what is main verb and what is auxiliary verb? Let's learn. Okay, so main verb is a verb, okay, which shows action in the sentence. Okay, like I go. Okay, I go to school. Now here this is a main verb in the sentence. All right, so play, cook. Okay, play, cook, read, write, speak, walk. These are main verbs. Okay, now main verb is further divided into three groups. Okay, how many groups are there in main verb? There are three groups. Further we divide into three groups. All right, the first one is called regular verb. What? Regular verb. Okay, the second group is called irregular verb, and the last one is called zero verb. Okay, zero verb. Now what is regular verb, what is irregular verb, and what are zero verbs? It's very easy. Don't be confused here that regular, so from the name you understand that regular means regularly changes occur, like when you make second and third form, as we have first form, then second form and third form. Okay, so first form of verb, then second form of verb, and then the last third form of verb. Okay, so play is the first form, basic form. The second form is played. Now here I just add ed. What I added? Ed, and it becomes the second form of verb. So when there is ed, okay, in the second and in the third form, okay, so we call a regular verb. This type of verb is called regular verb. All right, mean regularly changes are there, like cook. Example, cooked, and cooked. Okay, now here only ed is added. Okay, when we are making second and third form. So whenever there is only ed, and when you make the second and third form, this type of verb is called main verb. This type of verb is called regular. Okay, so regular verbs mean regularly changes occur. All right, the second one is irregular verb. Irregularly changes. Okay, for example, go, went, and gone. Go, went, gone. First form is go. Okay, the second form is went, and the third form is gone. Now see, irregularly changes occur here. Now the verb is changing into new words. Okay, like go, it's one style, went. Now it's changing into new words. Okay, so whenever the verb changes their form, their style, their spelling, okay, easily, so we can call irregular verb. For example, okay, see is the first form. What is the second form of see? Saw. Very good. Saw is the second form, and seen is the third form. Seen is the third form of verb. So see, saw, seen. This is irregular verb. Very good. Okay, now the last one is zero verb. Zero means no changes. Okay, when there is no change in the second and third form. Okay, for example, cut and cut, put. Now in these type of verb, there is the first form is also cut, the second form is also cut, and the third form is also cut. So here there is no changes. When there is no changes, this type of verb is called zero verb. So I hope that main verbs, there are three types. Okay, regular verb, irregular verb, and zero verb. We just divide. Okay, we make groups. Okay, to become easy. Okay, it helps you. Okay, to learn easily. Okay, that sometimes this regular verb is also called weak verbs. Okay, like play, played, played. It's very easy. We can also call easy verb. Okay, irregular verbs are called strong verbs. Strong mean they are very strong when you make the second and third form. See, go, went, gone. Okay, or it's very difficult a bit. Okay, when we memorize the second and third form. Okay, and the last one is zero mean it's very easy. Just the same second and third form we use for third form and the second form. Okay, so hope you got clear about main verb. Now let's move on. Okay, and learn the auxiliary verb. What are the auxiliary verb and where we use? Okay, auxiliary verb are mainly divided into two groups. Okay, the first one is called helping verb, and the second one is called modal verb. Okay, modal verb. All right, now helping verb and modal verb. Okay, mainly we auxiliaries are divided into two. Okay, the first one is helping verb. Helping verb mean which helps to the main verb in the sentence. Okay, whenever helping verbs come, so it helps. For example, he is going to school. In this sentence, this is a main verb, is I explained. It's an action verb. Okay, and this is helping to the main verb. So this verb is called helping verb. Okay, now helping verb and modal verb. So helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, will be. Okay, will be. Okay, have or has, had, will have. Okay, have been, has been. Okay, had been. Okay, so these are helping verbs. Helping verbs helps to the main verb in the sentence. Okay, and it tells about time, that is it present time or past time or future time. For example, if I say he was going to school, he was going to school, here it's a main verb. Okay, and here it is a helping verb. Okay, here it shows that present time, and here it shows that the time is past. So is-am-are is used for present time, was-were is used for past time. Okay, will is used for future time as a helping verb. Okay, will be is also used for future time. Okay, have or has is used for present time, had is used for past time, will have is used for future time. Okay, the same has been and have been is used for present time, and had been is used for past time. Okay, so helping verbs helps. Okay, they helps. Okay, to the main verb in the sentence, to the main verb in the sentence, Okay, so hope that helping verbs are Clear? Okay. All right. The second one is called modal verb. Modal means special verbs. Okay, they are models. Okay, from the name we understand that model mean that special verbs. For example, can, could, may, might, must, should, would. Okay, these are modal verbs. Can, could, may, might, must, should and would. They are used for different purposes. Okay, the first one is the can. Is, you know that can is used for ability. Okay, now can is also used for request. Okay, now how I will understand that they are modal verbs? Okay, so modal verbs, the first thing, they have no specific meaning. No specific, okay, meaning. Remember, okay, that modal verb, they have no specific meaning. Specific mean like eat, so eat has a specific meaning, or play has a specific meaning, go has meaning. But can has no specific meaning. Sometime it shows request, sometime it is used for ability, like can you help me, it's request. And I can teach English, now this is ability. So they are changing their meaning. Okay, whenever they use in the sentence, so in every sentence they have their own special meaning. Okay, so they have no specific meaning. The second point, they have no second and third form. No second and third form. Okay, like normally here play, played, we can make the second and third form. Here go, went, gone, cut. But modal verb, they have no second form and third form of verb. Okay, they are only the same, you know, form. Okay, can, could, may, might, must, should, would. They have no second and third form. So this is the second point. Okay, no specific meaning and no second and third form. And the last, okay, which is very important, they cannot come alone in the sentence. They cannot come alone in the sentence. Okay, they cannot come alone. Okay, like there must be a verb in the sentence with the help, you know, main verb. For example, he can play cricket. I'll just give you one example. He can play cricket mean this is a modal verb, so there is a verb, main verb must be there. Okay, they cannot come, and after modal verb there will be first form of verb in the sentence. Okay, so modal verb cannot come alone in a sentence. Like you cannot say he can cricket, he can cricket. Now it doesn't give you any meaning. Okay, it's incomplete. But he can play cricket. Okay, he can speak English. Now see, here it's a modal verb. Okay, it shows ability, and here it is a main verb. All right, so modal verb cannot come alone in a sentence. All right, and helping verb can come, okay, without action verb, like he is happy. Now here, as I have given you example, that this is now a main verb in the sentence. Why? Because there is no action verb. So when there is no action verb, this will become a main verb. The helping verb will become a main verb. Okay, and whenever there is a helping, okay, main verb, okay, so now is a helping verb. Okay, so helping verbs can become a main verb in the sentence, and they can come alone in the sentence without a verb. But modal verb cannot come alone in the sentence. There must be first form of verb in the sentence. Okay, so hope you got clear about verbs. Inshallah, further in the next video we will do in detail can, could, may, might, must, should and would. Okay, where we use may, where we use might, where we use should, where we use can. Okay, these all inshallah we will explain in the next video. Okay, so if you have watched the video and you like the video, okay, so for the coming video please subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.